Hey there, Jen. Those numbers say it all. Yesterday's storm dumped a lot of snow over Erie County, as we all know. And now all travel bans that were in effect have been lifted, and that includes the city of Lackawanna. That was the last city in Western New York to do it. That happened just a few hours ago. And now that those bans are lifted, Western New Yorkers are left to pick up the pieces and deal with all that snow, clean it all up there. Lackawanna specifically was one of the hardest hit areas. They saw about 2.5 inches of snow, most of that happening rapidly as the night went on. And you can see on your screen there neighbors coming out today, continuing to shovel out their cars, their driveways, their sidewalks. You'll also notice plows still out on those roads, working to clear those side streets. We caught up with Lackawanna Mayor Annette Afalo, who was not available in person, though. Take a listen to what she had to say over the phone about that 6 a.m. state of emergency call.
But this morning, when we realized how much snow actually had come down and I talked with the crews, they did assure me that the main arteries were all opened up, that it was the side streets and the dead ends that needed a lot of help. So I think this morning was the proper call for Lackawanna.
That state of emergency helped deploy resources from the county and private partners, including 6 front loaders and 10 dump trucks working in conjunction with city-owned plows. Now, the driving ban has lifted, but Mayor Afalo is warning folks in the Lackawanna area to still be cautious when you're heading out there on the roads. Lackawanna City Hall and their senior center was closed today, including a Christmas party that was set to happen there. Mayor Afalo says that will happen next week. Live and on your side in Buffalo, Alyssa Clausel, Channel 2 News.